Why Rockford Fosgate amplifiers? Rockford Fosgate amplifiers are an audio system's biggest sonic improvement. Ask yourself, what category of product will make the biggest sonic and performance improvement to any system? If you thought correctly, you chose the amplifier. The amplifier will do more than most any other component to improve an audio system. When the customer hears how much better their system sounds with the addition of only one amplifier, you've confirmed the customer's expectations. Now, they're more than willing to listen to your recommendations for the future. Maximizing a Rockford Fosgate amplifier's performance. A great 12-volt amplifier without connecting punch system necessities will not perform to its potential. Necessities to maximize the performance of a Rockford Fosgate amplifier: connecting punch, cast aluminum heat sinks allow exclusive cosmetics and a better thermal ability than conventional extruded designs, letting Rockford Fosgate put more power into a smaller package. DSM, Discrete Surface Mount, is an industry-leading manufacturing process utilizing high-speed robotics, high-quality, tight-tolerance parts, and large board traces, resulting in greater efficiency, less noise, and higher output. Indigo, Indexed Ideal Gain Operation. Indigo maximizes the output power of the amplifier by making better use of the power supplied by the car. Basically, this means that if the vehicle's battery voltage drops, Indigo tightens up so the amplifier will deliver rated power. MESA, Maximum Efficiency Heatsink Application, is a proprietary process of Rockford Fosgate. MESA works to increase the heat transfer from the MOSFET device to the heatsink. This allows Rockford Fosgate to squeeze more wattage from every output device, as well as provide consistent thermal stability. Nomad, Non-Multiplying Advanced Decision. The real genius behind an amplifier's protection system is its ability to regulate output and not impede the performance of the total system. That's why Rockford Fosgate has integrated the use of the Nomad Smart Circuit. This unique circuitry actually permits the amplifier to make decisions based on voltage, current, and impedance, and determines if conditions are in need of protection. Topaz, Tracking Operation Pre-Amplifier Zone. Topaz is a patented circuit that eliminates noise. By allowing the amplifier ground to synchronize with the source unit ground, a kill zone is created just before the preamp section. This results in a 30 to 40 dB improvement of the isolation between input ground and chassis ground. Trans-Ana, Tran-Conductance Active Nodal Amplifier. Trans-Ana is Transnova for the punch series of amplifiers. Trans-Ana simplifies the input path, allowing the signal to travel through a single stage, putting less circuitry between the listener and the music, increasing the sonic quality of the amplifier. Remote Punch Bass. The punch bass control helps correct for acoustical deficiencies in the listening environment by helping produce full-range sound without adding excessive boost. The punch bass control is a narrow band adjustment at 45 Hz, variable from 0 dB to plus 18 dB. Connection is made with a cable using RJ45 and can be installed under the dash for remote control access. BD technology. The Power BD amplifier is a revolutionary new design from the engineering geniuses at Rockford Fosgate. What's special about it is that BD technology is highly efficient at all levels of power. Rockford Fosgate engineers designed this amp to be 75 to 80% efficient, which makes it a great amplifier for SPL and for the typical Rockford Fosgate fanatic who just wants great bass. Since most Class AB amplifiers are between 20 to 60% efficient, Class BD is clearly superior for making the most power with the available power input. PowerSync allows all Class BD amplifiers to be linked together to deliver twice the power into a single voice coil. Connect the two NEG speaker outputs together using an 8-gauge wire no longer than 15 inches. When bridging two units together, Unit 1 phase must be set at 0, Unit 2 phase must be set at 180. Unit 1, phase set at 0, connect positive terminal to positive speaker terminal. Unit 2, phase set to 180, connect positive terminal to negative speaker terminal. When bridged, do not exceed minimum impedance of 4. Subsonic filter limits unwanted ultra-low frequency information to the woofer system. These ultra-low frequency place heavy demands on the power amp and woofer to produce frequencies so low that they exceed the useful range of the speaker system itself. The subsonic filter protects the amp and woofer from these frequencies and thereby increases the actual usable output power and reliability of the entire system. Rockford Fosgate Power BD amplifiers set world records at every national final. This year's unstoppable Team RF crushed the competition in every national final event with the power of BD amplifiers. No other amplifier has captured more trophies and world records than the Rockford Fosgate Power BD amplifier. Amplifier selling tips. 1. Rockford Fosgate amplifiers power